Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, so this is the session of our extra activities. Okay, which is mentioned in your JOT syllabus actually. Okay, so basically in this class we will discuss something which is related to extra activities. Okay, so that everyone can enhance your soft skill like that. Okay, so in this session along with me we have Sweta ma'am, Navjot sir, and Piyush sir. Okay, so we will conduct this session together. So in this session, at first we would like to interact with everyone because we don't know about you actually. So firstly, you all have to introduce yourself. Okay, one by one, and in this introduction section, you have to mention some points, which is like your name, your address, your previous academic details, your area of interest, like in which area. That means after completion of BTech, okay, in which domain you want to make your career. Okay, so these kinds of points you have to highlight in your introduction part. Clear to everyone? What I have said? Hello, am I audible to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so I think what I have said, I think
Sir,
this is clear
repeat.
to everyone. Okay. I have said that we would like to interact with everyone actually. Okay, because we don't know about you. Okay, so you have to introduce yourself one by one. And in this introduction section, you have to mention some points like your name, your address, your previous academic details. Okay, your area of interest, like in after completion of BTech, in which area you want to make your career. Okay, like in your like in web development or Android development or software development or computer networking. So these kinds of things you have to mention in your introduction part. Okay, just we want to interact with you, like what is your area of interest. Okay, from where uh, you are. Okay, so these kinds of things we have to discuss in this session. So in this class, I have already told that we have Navjot sir, Shweta ma'am, you sir. Okay, so we will conduct this session together. So you can introduce yourself one by one, alphabetically. Okay. As
Sir,
a,
start from the roll number, no, sir. From
yes.
start from your roll number. Roll number 1, start first.
Good afternoon, sir and ma'am, and my dear batchmates. I'm Amisha Soni. I'm from Ranchi. I did my matriculation from the school Bishop Scott Girls School, Dorinda, Ranchi, and my intermediate from DAV Kapildev Public School, Kadru, Ranchi. Currently pursuing BTech degree from Rangwar Engineering College, branch CSC. And in near future, the field in which I'm interested is civil services. Thank you.
Okay. Next, who is roll number 2?
If roll number 2 is not present, roll number 3 may proceed.
Roll number 2. Are you present or not?
Who is roll number 2? What is
Sir, he is not present.
oh,
Gautam Kumar.
Okay.
roll number 3?
Good afternoon, sir and ma'am. My name is Gudan Kumari. I'm from Dhanbad, and I've completed my matriculation as well as intermediate from DAV Model CFRI. Now I'm pursuing BTech from Ramgarh Engineering College, branch Computer Science Engineering. After completion of BTech, I want to do job in public sector undertaking in India.
Very good. Who is the next?
Good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Ritik Kumar, and yes, ma'am. My name is Ritik Kumar, and I did my matriculation and my intermediate from DW School, Digwadi FRI, and presently I'm pursuing my BTech degree from Computer Science. And after the completion of my BTech degree, I want to pursue my career in ethical hacking. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. Who is the next? Roll number 5. 6.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, teachers and my batchmates. My name is Jyoti Kumari, and I'm from Ranchi. I have completed my matriculation from Ursuline Convent, Ranchi, and my intermediate from St. John's, Ranchi. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech degree from Ramgarh Engineering College. And after the completion of my BTech degree, I want to work on civil services. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir and ma'am. My name is
Okay.
Meher. I am from Dhanbad. I have completed my matriculation and intermediate from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Dhanbad and currently pursuing CSC in Ramgarh Engineering College. In future, I want my career as a data scientist.
Scientist.
Very good.
Scientist.
Very good. Who is next one? Who is next? Okay, if you will not introduce yourself according to your roll number, then we will call randomly. Okay, we will call a random name and then you have to introduce. Okay, so please, who is next roll number? You just start your introduction. Who is next? We can see that here are, I think, 20 participants. Okay, and only 4 to 5 students have introduced their self. Okay, so who is next one? Please introduce. Yes, tell me.
So call us randomly.
Okay. Then I will call according to alphabet.
Yes, sir.
Aditya Kumar Jha. Aditya Kumar Jha, introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, sir, ma'am, and my friends. Myself, Aditya Kumar Jha from Giridih. I have completed matric in +2 Ramnam High School, Rampur. Then I completed diploma in GP Ranchi. After pursuing BTech 4th SEM in Ramgarh Engineering College. After completing BTech, I want to software development field.
I think Amisa Soni has already introduced. Ananya Kumari, next. Ananya, you can start. Ananya, am I audible to you? Ananya, am I audible to you? Okay, next, Ankit Kumar Singh. Ankit Kumar Singh, you may proceed.
Good afternoon, sir and ma'am. My name is Ankit Kumar Singh. I am from Bokaro Steel City. I have completed my diploma from GP Khutri Bokaro in CSC branch. I am currently pursuing BTech in CSC from Ramgarh Engineering College. My area of interest is thank you, sir.
Okay, very good. Next, I think Gooden and Ritik has already introduced. Jaya Pandey. Next, Jaya Pandey. You may proceed.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Jaya Pandey. I am from Ramgarh. I completed my matriculation from Sri Krishna Vidya Mandir from Ramgarh. I did diploma in computer science and engineering. Currently, I am studying in Ramgarh Engineering College from CS department. And in future, I want to go in a field like web designing and web developing. Thank you, sir.
Okay, next one is Khushbu Vidya. You may continue.
Hello everyone, I am Khushbu Vedia from Ranchi. I completed 10th from Sant Jigyan Public School Ranchi with 7 aggregate and completed diploma in CSE from Sealy Polytechnic and pursuing BTech with CSE from Ramgarh Engineering College. And my interested in VFX graphic and gaming and 3D animation. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Next one is Mihar. Mihar, you continue. Okay, next is Preeti Alok.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Meher. I am from Dhanbad. I have completed my matriculation and intermediate from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Dhanbad and currently pursuing CSC in Ramgarh Engineering College. In future, I want my career as data scientist.
Data scientist.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can I ask you something more?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you please speak us about some good and bad quality of yours?
Ma'am, I am workaholic person and this is my bad quality actually because
Okay.
and
At
my
least
good
3
quality
bad
is I am habituate in every situation easily.
That is your good quality or bad quality?
This is my good quality.
Okay, or workaholic is your bad quality?
In some cases because I'm not I'm just all the time think about my career and works and not to for I'm टाइम नहीं निकाल पाते हैं मैम रिलेशन मतलब घर वर के लिए
वो तो दिख रहा है आपके पास टाइम कम है थोड़ा. So okay, thank you. Next is thank you. Next is Preeti Alok.
Good afternoon, ma'am and sir, and my dear matchmates. I am Preeti Alok. I am from Ramgarh. I have completed my diploma in architecture from GWP Jamshedpur. Currently, I am in 4th semester pursuing my BTech degree in Computer Science Engineering from Ramgarh Engineering College. After degree, for now, I just want to do a good job in public sector, but later I will think more and work more on what actually I want. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Next is there Shubham Pandey.
Hello ma'am, good afternoon. I have completed my matriculation from Radha Govind Senior Secondary Public School and my intermediate studies from CN College Ramgarh. Currently I am pursuing BTech from Ramgarh Engineering College, and in future I have been working on Android development, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Next, Sonali Kumari.
Good afternoon, ma'am and sir. I am Sonali Kumari. I am from Ramgarh. I have completed my matriculation from Public High School Majgawa and diploma from JWP Ranchi. Now I am currently pursuing my BTech from Ramgarh Engineering College. And after completed my BTech, I want to do web development and software development. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Next is Sudipta Mazil.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. I myself Sudipto from Jamtara district. I had completed my matriculation from Savitri Devi DI Public School, Jamtara, and diploma from GP Dhanbad. I am currently pursuing my BTech degree from Ramgarh Engineering College. And usually I had interest in taking government job, but as I had selected the computer science field, so I had interest in learning new languages, and I would like to implement it in my further career. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Sweetie, तुम्हारा हो गया शायद?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then continue.
Good afternoon, ma'am, and my teachers and my batchmate. I am Shruti Kumari Patel from Dhanbad. I did my matriculation from Indian School of Learning, and I did my diploma from Women's Government Polytechnic College, Jamshedpur. Now I am pursuing BTech in Ramgarh Engineering College in CSC, and in future I would like to see myself as a full stack web developer. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Next one is Tushar Kumar. Tushar, are you listening? ओके कोई ऐसा है जो छूट गया हो? लाइक नीलम कुमारी.
Hello.
Yes, you are audible.
Good afternoon, ma'am and teachers. My name is Neelam Kumari, and I completed my diploma from Silli Polytechnic, Silli, and currently pursuing my BTech degree from CSE from Ramgarh Engineering College. That's all.
Okay. Ananya.
Shubham Pandey, have you introduced yourself? Shubham. Shubham, are you listening me? I think you are the CR of this class. Shubham.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Have you introduced yourself?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Then fine.
Okay. I think you all have introduced very nicely. Okay. And we are very happy to know that you all have different area of interest. Like some of you want to go in software development field. Some of you want to go in web development field. Okay. And also some of you mentioned that they want to go in civil services. Okay. So I just want to know from those who want to go in civil services that why have you chosen BTech actually? Because for civil services, I think you can do simply graduation. Okay. So why have you chosen BTech? Okay. This is this question to those who have mentioned that uh, I want to go in civil services after completion of BTech. So why have you chosen BTech?
Actually, sir, I previously, before joining in this college, took admission in some other college, St. Xavier's College, Ranchi, and economics honors. So that one of my optional paper get ready. But as the time passed, I got selected in the CSC branch in this college. So I preferred doing a much, because whenever we do in BTech degree, I will get a much more wider scope and exposure.
Okay.
And whenever we will take the things, we will take technologically, logically things. Means my mental ability will much more be enhanced rather than doing a plain graduation. That's all.
Very good. Anyone else? I think one more student has mentioned. ओके फाइन. पीयूष सर, आप कुछ पूछना चाह रहे हैं? पीयूष सर.
हाँ दीपक सर बोलिए.
हाँ सर, आप कुछ पूछना चाह रहे हैं स्टूडेंट लोगों से? कुछ इंटरेक्ट करना चाहेंगे तो आप पूछ सकते हैं.
और क्या पूछेंगे, आप लोग तो पूछ ही लिए सारा क्वेश्चन, और तो कुछ बचा नहीं कि पूछेंगे.
Okay, sir. So I think our session times is running out. Okay, we have only 5 to 6 minutes. So I want to add some points which is related to assignment actually. Okay. I think in your previous semester, you have allotted some topics. Am I right or wrong? That means you have presented some PPT according to your topics in previous semester.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now what the thing you have to do is whatever the topic allotted to you, okay, so you have presented it in previous semester. Okay, that is very basic things. Okay, so now in this semester you have to add some more points in your PPT, in your presentation. Okay, some more advanced point. ठीक है, आपको कुछ एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट्स इसमें ऐड करना है और फिर से वही टॉपिक्स के ऊपर आपको एक प्रेजेंटेशन वेल ड्राफ्ट बनाना है. ठीक है, और उस प्रेजेंटेशन को आपको प्रेजेंट करना. तो सबसे पहले आपको टाइम अभी दिया जाता है. ठीक है, कुछ वीक्स आपको टाइम दिया जाएगा. आप प्रेजेंटेशन अच्छे से बनाइए और जो प्रेजेंटेशन आप प्रीवियसली दिए हैं उससे थोड़ा डिफरेंट होना चाहिए, उससे थोड़ा सा एडवांस लेवल का होना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो अब नेक्स्ट सेशन से हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि जो भी टॉपिक्स आपको ग्रुप वाइज एलोटेड हुआ है, हर एक दिन 2 से 4 ग्रुप जो है अपना प्रेजेंटेशन को देगा. ठीक है, और प्रेजेंटेशन देने के बाद सभी के पास ये एक्सेसिबिलिटी रहेगा कि आप कुछ भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं रिगार्डिंग दैट प्रेजेंटेशन, एनीवन फ्रॉम द स्टूडेंट, एनीवन। ओके, वी आर ओके। तो अभी तुम लोग को ये असाइनमेंट है कि आपका जो एग्जिस्टिंग प्रेजेंटेशन है उसमें कुछ एक्स्ट्रा एडवांस पॉइंट ऐड करना है और उसको फिर से नेक्स्ट या फिर उसके नेक्स्ट वाले क्लास से आप लोग को प्रेजेंटेशन को प्रेजेंट करना है। ठीक है, सभी को क्लियर है क्या बोले हम?
यस सर।
यस सर।
हाँ, एक और चीज, अगर आपको टॉपिक कन्वर्ट करना है, सपोज अगर किसी ग्रुप को लगता है कि नहीं मेरा ये डोमेन नहीं है, हमको जो टॉपिक अलॉट हुआ है वो मेरे डोमेन का नहीं है, मेरे एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट से बाहर, तो आप टॉपिक चेंज कर सकते हैं। उसके लिए फर्स्ट आपको इन्फॉर्म करना होगा। ठीक है, आप हम लोग को सिंपली गूगल क्लासरूम में इन्फॉर्म कर दीजिए कि सर मेरा पहले ये टॉपिक था, अब हम इस टॉपिक के ऊपर अपना प्रेजेंटेशन बनाना चाहते हैं, इसके ऊपर हम सिंपली रिसर्च करना चाहते हैं। ठीक है, तो आप टॉपिक भी चेंज कर सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। ठीक है, समझ में आया क्या हम बोले?
यस सर।
ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले तो आज हम गूगल क्लासरूम में एक नोटिफिकेशन दे देंगे, मतलब एक प्रॉपर इंफॉर्मेशन दे देंगे कि प्रीवियसली आप लोग को कौन कौन सा टॉपिक अलॉट हुआ था। ठीक है, उसके रिप्लाई में अगर आपको कुछ टॉपिक कन्वर्ट करना है, किसी को अगर टॉपिक कन्वर्ट करना है तो आप वहाँ पे रिप्लाई सेक्शन में जाके बता सकते हैं। ठीक है, और जिसको नहीं करना है वो सिंपली उसी टॉपिक के ऊपर प्रेजेंटेशन दे सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। तो आप लोग को कुछ समय दिया जाएगा, उस समय के अंदर में आप सिंपली प्रेजेंटेशन को प्रिपेयर कीजिए और कुछ आफ्टर 1 or 2 week, okay, we will take the presentation session. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.